Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Town and Country minivan, and in this beginner's video I will show you how and where to add the windshield washer fluid. This video will apply to Town and Country minivans made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. So the first thing you want to do, you want to pop the front hood. Now there is a lever to pull right here, so just grab it and pull it over yourself. Okay, the next thing to do is lift the front hood. Now there is a small lever also just here. I hope you can see it. You want to push it down, you see? You want to push it down and then lift the hood up. Once you have the hood up, you can use this rod to support it right here to keep it up. Once the hood is opened, it's very easy to locate windshield washer fluid reservoir. It's right here, and there is the windshield sign on top of it, so you just want to open it. Now, one very important thing when adding the windshield washer fluid is if it's winter outside, you have to make sure not to add the plain water or the summer windshield fluid, because if it gets really cold, it's gonna freeze inside, and that is gonna create lots of problems for you. Your windshield washer fluid is not gonna spray out, and you'll have to take the car to a warm garage for at least a day so it melts. So in the winter, always make sure to add special fluid that's formulated for cold temperature, something like this. Now it is always a good idea to use the funnel when adding the fluid so you don't make a mess, and never fill it up all the way to the top, maybe just up to here. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.